Hello all. Thank you all of my family members. Hope you all are really doing great in your life and you are staying with your loved one, and wherever you are staying you are safe and you are really doing great. I'm always praying that God should keep you healthy, wealthy, and give you lots of happiness in your life. That I'm always praying to God. Thanks a lot, all of my family members. Thanks a lot for your suggestions, love. I really appreciate that. So today I am going to talk about a new thing, okay, which we may know, which may not know, but these things will definitely help us in our life. So what is that? The thing is a small thing, that the password, okay. So if you see the thumbnail, that is. Uh, a small change in your password can change your life. How can it be possible? By changing the password, how the life can change? You are thinking now, how changing the password our life can be changed. Yes, I'm just giving you a great idea. By if you implement that in your life, I'm 100% sure that definitely you will see a change, a improvement in your life. Definitely, believe me and trust me, just implement that in your life and you will definitely see the magic in your life. So friends, let's discuss that, how a small change in our password can change our life. So what exactly I want to say that, so every day we are using mobile, laptop. Whenever we are login, when we are entering to our mobile, we are giving a password, okay. So how a password can change our life? So like, what I want to say that your password you can make, for example, every day some good and some bad thing happen, so you want to forgive someone, so you can make your password as forgive added her. If you want to forgive someone, you can make us forgive added him. So if every time you are putting that password, so by that the subconscious mind is receiving that, and some good things are going to happen. So for example, you want to quit smoking, okay, so you can make it password as quit @smoking forever. So if you write it every day, every time, whenever you are logging to your laptop, whenever you are logging to your mobile, so definitely some changes are going to happen. So for example, like a materialistic goal, that you want to travel all over the world, so like save for trip @Switzerland or Bali or Kashmir, any place you want to travel, so you can make a password like that. So for example, so you are a student, or you are preparing for a competitive exam, so you can, for example, you are preparing for civil service exam, so you can make a password as civil service exam all India rank, that CACAIR @3. So you want to achieve the rank of the third, so like for gate also you can make that way. So and for semester result also you can make something like this, like first semester result @80%. I'm not saying that you don't do hard work, so you do hard work, along with you make some changes like this, so which what will happen, our life is full of abundance. So what exactly we are thinking, all that depends upon our life. So our thought is everything for us. So our thought can make us like king, or our thought can defeat us as well. So from our thought only everything starting. So make your thought so good, so that good will always happen with you. So let's make example like the life is beautiful, okay, or God is always with me. And for example, you are in job, so you can make that monthly salary at the rate 80K, so you want to achieve that amount, so you can make any type of password which will help you in your life to grow in your life. So this is a small thing, okay, and we are making our password as 1234 or 3456. By that nothing is going to happen, but if you do these small changes in your life, I am 100% sure that definitely there will be a change in your mindset, in your thought process, and in your growth, and the result will be amazing. Just believe me, just implement it, and I'm 100% sure that you will definitely see a great result in front of you. So that's all, my family member. For today, I want to say that just change your password in such a way that that is interconnected with your goal, interconnected with your dream, and this will help you definitely, and this will impact on your subconscious mind, and the law of universe will definitely work for you. In upcoming videos, I will talk about law of universe, how it is helpful for us. Thanks a lot, my family members. I love you all. I pray God that you all should stay safe and take care of your loved one. Thank you for listening to it.